Hello everyone, this is Attila from Signalo. This is the Trader Sun video when I'm explaining and giving a report about the recent week trading signals. We started with the euro-dollar sell stop pending position. It was followed with the Louis Vuitton Moët Hennessy stock buy position. The next one is our open positions, what you can see here. The Airbnb, Visa, Alibaba and Lufthansa is coming us from the previous week. You can check the previous video about our trades. These are the pending positions what we have, and a new pending position from the Bitcoin. We are expecting an outbreak from this range of the Bitcoin price action, and it did it. It break about heading closer to the $50,000 level. We are opening here the GBP JPY and the GBP CHF bigger positions. Thanks for the fundamental analysis, expecting a higher inflation CPI data from the United Kingdom. We've been expecting more than 3%, and it was correct. The UK CPI is 3.2%, and it's the highest between the major currencies. That's why we've been expecting a jump in the GBP, CHF and the JPY, because these currencies, the JPY and the JPY and the CHF, they have as well negative interest rate. So UK Bank of England is much closer to the interest rate hike. So that's why there's a power in the GBP. This position had to close 1,000 plus. Unfortunately, I didn't close them, and they closed with a huge minus in the stop loss. These are the closed positions. You can see nearly 1,000 minus. This week was really bloody. A lot of stop losses I got from the stock market. Also, as you see, the Louis Vuitton here making a $700 minus, so it's the major loss. The event manager did really well this week on this gold and the USD JPY position. They closed with take profit. On the gold we made $700, on the USD JPY $120. So on this occasion it was the US CPI data which was much weaker than they've been expecting, and there was a huge jump in the gold, and it was trading on the open the buy stop position and made $700 for everybody. The event manager is really interesting. You have videos about on the signalo.com about the event manager. It's a news trader robot doing really well. On this week they made for us a really beautiful profit around $1,000, which was done only with the event manager. It's possible to trade with smaller accounts also. Okay, so just watch videos about the event manager on the signalo.com. You can find all the information. Here is the setup, the set file you are getting if you are subscribing for our Signal services. You are getting every week the latest setups for the latest news, what we are getting. So you just have to load it, and after that you just waiting for the news, and it's doing on its own everything. So it's a full service from our side. I'm opening here a gold sell position with a quite bigger size. I'm expecting a big drop in the gold. Here's the GBP JPY sell positions, what I'm opening after the buy position was closed with a big minus. As you can see, here is the minus I'm showing. It's 1,000 and 3,700, so nearly 4K, which was caused by the GBP CHF and GBP JPY positions. But you can see here a lot of minuses. This week was really bloody. Lufthansa, Louis Vuitton causing big minuses for me, but we can do it, and we turning to the plus. Let's see how we did it. Here is the gold position, which already in 1,000 plus. The GBP JPY sell already in 500, and I'm opening the crude oil position also. So we made money on the GBP JPY sell, on the gold and on the crude oil. Here is the gold in $4,000 plus, and the oil is doing well also. The gold sell position stop loss is moved to the positive territory, so our profit is granted if the gold price is changing, turning back. We are taking it home, and we are taking it home, as you can see here. Our position after the lot of minuses finally starting to put down beautiful pluses, and right here we are at $77 plus total in the middle of the week. The next one, what you can see here is the open positions. The oil is still around $700 plus, and there's a huge jump in the WTI, which is rising to $2,600. The maximum as well, moving the stop in a positive territory. So if it's dropping, our exit strategy is working, and our plus is in our pocket, not just virtually on our account. Here is the gold sell position, which is getting closer to the take profit, and it closed with the take profit also. I reopened this sell position after I closed the bigger 10 lot. I opened with only one lot and it reached my take profit. So if I keep the 10 lot, it would be fantastic. Afterwards, the gold dropped nearly $50, so it could be a much bigger fortune if I'm keeping the 10 lot positions, but it was too big, so we are going for the safetyness. Crude oil 2,400, and I'm opening a new Louis Vuitton underbuying. I have a big minus on this, and I'm underbuying on this level Louis Vuitton stocks. So if it's jumping up, I can close it in plus, and I really do it. I'm closing a $1,000 plus in the next day. The crude oil is closed 2,000 plus. Our balance this week is 1,229. Going forward, euro dollar sell. Bitcoin buy stop was here. Unfortunately, the pending position was deleted. I tried to open with a smaller position, but already I should be in a plus, really $1,000 plus here. So I'm opening a smaller one to take profit, but of course this balance was mixed, and of course, like this week, my stop gone, so it was closed in a minus. Here are our open positions. I'm putting an Australian dollar sell stop pending positions for the news which are gonna come out about the USD. It was a retail sales data. The CHF JPY sell is breaking down a key level and heading to the next one. It was closed to nearly $500 plus, so it was a really nice position. GBP JPY sell, I closed it with my hand, so this is already it's $140 plus extra, not letting it to the minus. It was a good run. GBP buy. Open positions. We had a serious fundamental analysis about the natural gas. There are huge increase in the gas price, and all the analysts been expecting even a higher price. Especially have really serious problems about the liquid natural gas in Europe, so the price can hike higher. I tried to open with a smaller position because it's a pretty strong flagging price action. What we can see here. Let's see what's gonna happen with it. Louis Vuitton already in a better plus. Airbnb euro dollar, yes. Here what we just opened, yes, the euro dollar, the Louis Vuitton euro dollar, CGF, JPY, and the GBP CHF is already, here you can see, it's in a $500 plus after a couple of hours, so it was a pretty good idea to open these positions, and we're gonna make money from them. Euro dollar already the stop loss and plus. If it's turning, it's closed anyway with a profit. Here is my picture from the phone when I'm showing that it's good plus with my euro dollar and on the GBP CHF. To put it down is $600. So let's put it down with your hand. Let's just click it and close the positions because I'm doing it as well. GBP CHF $200 plus, so the half, euro dollar $300 plus, so it was $500 what was saved from this. It's already Friday, and we are starting with a gold buy position, and then immediately a gold sell stop, just to take care if it's gonna drop and breaking this key level and gonna reach the next one. So we're gonna be in the market. Open position, see the Louis Vuitton, just I mentioned a couple of minutes ago, it's already $1,000 plus. I'm putting it down anyway. I'm dragging the stop so close that it's gonna be closed by the stop, and it did get back again, so it was a good idea to close it. Here's our saldo. It's $1,842 is the balance. What we can see, this beautiful profit after that what we had in the middle of the week, It's a fantastic job. Gold buy position already nearly $400 plus. We are moving the stop closer. It was turning back and closing, so it was a good idea as well. We have the position size calculator, but we are really suggesting to everybody to see for the for your account, for your balance, for your equity, what is the position size that you have to open. If I'm opening with one lot, you can see how many dollars I'm risking. You can check if it's for you. For example, I'm risking $500. You want to risk maximum 300 or 250. You put this in the calculator and it's gonna show to you that if you put $200 risk for the same, you cannot open one lot position. You can open only 0.2 lot, for example. Okay, so it's showing for your account what kind of position size you have to use, and then you're gonna be profitable. You can adjust it to mine. So if I'm opening one lot, you're opening always 0.2 or 0.1, depends. When opening 3 lots, then you multiply yours with 3. That's it. So it's pretty easy. A GBP CHF buy position, USD CHF buy position, gold sell position, open positions right here, what you can see. All the open positions. The next one is WTI buy position, Facebook buy position, and Alibaba buy position. So we had a lot of buy positions. These are the positions what we have. I'm gonna take with myself all the beautiful pluses what we made. As you can see, the CHF JPY in plus 400, Airbnb 300, USD CHF in plus 271. Beautiful in a couple of hours it did. The oil already in 100, but it's rising to 300. I'm taking it as well. Australian dollar as well in a small plus. I'm closing it also. With this, what you can see, I'm taking the profits with myself for the safetyness, and of course we're gonna have a weekend. It's 1527, and I'm closing actually the crude oil as well, that you can see it on $300 plus, and the end is 1817 plus what we made on the other account, and another 820 on the event manager. So we are closing with $2,637 plus this beautiful week. In trend we trust. Have a nice day, have a nice trade. Bye.